Hi everyone, this is Borrow and Grow, and this is my account. It's not much, but I have worked for this account years in the making. I've been saving and putting money paycheck by paycheck, struggling, surviving, doing overtime, overworking myself, and this is the outcome. It's not a lot, but I'm gonna make this account work for me. I'm not gonna work for the account. That's why I use margin because no matter what you do, no matter what I do, I'm just a regular 9 to 5 worker that no matter how much I do for the company, doesn't matter how much I bust myself for the company, they can just fire me from one day to the next. And you know, instead of surprising you with a bonus, what do they do at work? Well, they provide you, they get what's your bonus? More work. I'm sick and tired of working paycheck to paycheck, and this account, hopefully, is gonna work for me because I'm not gonna let the system beat me. I'm going to join the system. I'm using debt, of course, but debt is money. Think about it. When you a working class person like myself, when you go to work, right? And let's say you need a car to go to work. Well, if you don't have the money, you have to go to a bank and you have to borrow that money from the bank. Well, that money that you borrow, if you don't have good credit, and even if you have good credit, you're still gonna be charged an interest on it. And by the end of the day, when you pay off that car, whatever the amount was, 10,000, 50,000, 20,000, doesn't matter the amount, that money is gone. It's out of your pocket and they charge you interest. Well, what I do is that I borrow my own assets. I put money into this account, and little by little it's gonna grow. My assets is going to accumulate. It's going to appreciate. Look at this SPOG, which is equivalent to VOO. This ETF, look, I'm up almost 17%. If I use this money and pay off my bills, all this money would have been gone by now. Okay, think about this. So my asset is appreciation in price. If it drop in price like it did in April, I don't care. I keep buying because the goal is not to work for the account. I'm making the account work for me. Look at this. I started investing in SHG a few weeks ago. Look, I'm up almost 1.50%. And this is the reason that I invest and use margin. And with this amount, I paid my bill. Look at this. I owed $4,386 in margin. I don't care about that amount that I owe. I do not care because when I get my paycheck, I'm gonna put here at least 16, well, not 16, sorry. I'm gonna put here at least $1,700 or $1,500, whatever the amount is, even 1,000. And that my paycheck is gonna drop my margin. And look at this. This is the beauty of it. Every day I buy $5. So I used to put more money into this ETF, but as of now, I dropped it to $5 a day, right? SHG, I'm pumping $31 per day. On Misty, I'm pumping not much, but $2 per day. On OT, I'm pumping $7 per day. This OT itself paid me as of last week. I'll show you right now. Why am I all over the place? OT paid me last week in dividends, paid me $75. You see what I mean? So I'm sick and tired of working and busting my butt for someone else's dream. I'm creating my dream. So this is the reason that I use personally. You don't have to use margin. That's why I use margin. Today I'm up 50 dollars. And look at this. From in the last 24 hours, I'm up $217, 1.03%. This is why I invest my money. So every paycheck that I get, I'm going to put it in this baby. I'm gonna make this baby work for me, pay my bills, and over time, margin is gonna become optional. It will become optional, okay? That's that's how it's gonna work. So this is why I use margin. This is why, because I'm tired of working from 9 to 5 and I want this account to work for me. Okay, everyone. So if this is a video that I wanted to upload to you because I'm doing everything I can to leave the rat race. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and follow my journey. I want to follow my journey because if I could help one person out there, one, two, or three people out there, then I'm doing a good deed. So please don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, I'll see you in the next one, and let's all invest.